Second step, transform data, plan cost. If you finished our Excel All You Need course, so this window is completely familiar to you. Actually, transforming data in Power BI is like query in Excel. Here in free version of Power BI, we have limited time, so I'm not gonna explain transform window fully. But if you want to learn more, you can prepare our Excel All You Need course and watch query section, or later in Power BI full version, I will cover it fully. Here, as you see, the headers are not correct. The first row is our header. From Home tab, I open drop-down menu of Use First Row as Headers and select Use First Row as Headers. That's so simple. Now, as you see, we have blank rows. I want to remove them. I select Activity ID column. From Home tab, open drop-down menu of Remove Rows and select Remove Blank Rows. From Apply the Steps, if I select Change Type 1, you can see after Remove Blank Rows, some blank rows are removed. This option removes all rows which all cells are blank. If I scroll this bar, you see on total column, the rows which contain 0 are not removed. I don't want to see these zeros, that's why I can filter. Select the square icon on total column and uncheck 0. Press on OK. Now they are not shown anymore. That's it. Now I want to change the total column format. The format is a fixed decimal number. What is the bar under the headers? Can you see a bar under the headers? When I change the total column format into fixed decimal number, you can see an error occurred here. When I go a step back and apply the steps, you can see this error cell was not number. When it is changed to decimal number format, it shows error, and the bar is changed to red. If I hover the mouse on the bar, you can see the information about this column. For example, on 1st of February 2022, we have two valid contents, which is 3%. We don't have errors. And 69 rows or 97 is empty. The bar color is green, so it is okay. There is no errors. If I hover mouse on total, you can see one error is in this column. Or for example, the subcontractors bar is almost fully green. If I go back and select promoted headers and apply the steps, you can see the bar of subcontractors is not fully green. I hover the mouse on it. It says 11 rows are empty. I click on Change Type 2 and apply the steps. Now you can see the bar is almost full. So this bar shows the status of the column. Now we have error on total column. For removing this error cell, select total column and remove rows and remove errors. That's okay. The error is removed and the bar is changed to full green. Unpivot Timeline. The next step in transforming time period files is unpivoting the date columns. I select all columns that I don't want to unpivot and right-click on one of them and select Unpivot Other columns. Okay, I change attribute to date and value to planned cost. And its format to fixed decimal number. Change date format into date. We are done here. We transformed the data and now it is time to put this data in Power BI. How do we manage it? So simple, with Close and Apply in Home tab. Don't forget to close and apply it. It is loading. Now the transformed data of planned cost is here in Power BI.